Hello Goldwork enthusiasts, this new class we have to offer is especially for you. The Goldwork Letters online class, Chipping and Pearle Purl, is the first Goldwork technique combination we will be teaching specifically for a lettering outcome. There will be more Goldwork lettering classes to come, each a standalone demonstrating a different combination of Goldwork techniques for letters. This class will be taught in a slightly different way to our usual, as it will be for those with a bit of Goldwork experience. We will be demonstrating on 2 letters which will be breaking down into 6 characteristics, allowing you to apply those characteristics to whichever letters you want to work on. When you make your purchase, you can nominate which letter template you would like to be sent, which will identify the characteristics you should be paying particular attention to. We will also suggest what types of materials you'll need, as there are no kits to go with this class specifically, so you can have more creative control over your piece. Head to the London Embroidery School website to start designing your own lettering outcome, which can be made into Christmas decorations, wall hangings, brooches, hair accessories.